not going to like this picture. She yells at me.
Why?
Oh, she yells at me about my Tic Tacs.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet. That one? Well, say it's yours.
She loves me.
Have we?
I don't know what she looks like. I have. I can't picture her at all.
We're going to get
Oh,
started
see,
here.
you said she was beautiful.
Valerie?
No. The other girl is beautiful.
Does she have a daughter?
Peggy.
But Valerie's beautiful too.
Yes, you know, we're all just darn good-looking bunch of babes. It's true. Are you guys taking pictures?
Yes.
Yes. Of me over the Advent?
Mm-hmm.
Is this a sort of religious?
I think roasting your Tic Tac.
Take out. Because I'm really needing to eat this soon. Good golly.
We can find out exactly what chemicals are in the Tic Tac, right? How big the flame, what color is the flame?
Oh, look at that, a little roasted.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh, this, we should chant. Like a Tic Tac chant? Over the
No, we need a drum.
Hank!
Hey, play the drum.
Oh my good golly, look at this. Ooh, oh. This is how you get the properly
Is this going to end up on YouTube?
chocolate-coated Tic Tac.
Oh, it's gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be famous.
Yeah, I'm already famous in my own mind. Look at that. Oh, Tic Tac and chocolate. Mmm. Oh, roasted Tic Tac is so good. That is excellent.
What?
I have more Tic Tacs. More Tic Tacs. This should not go on. Mmm.
Yeah.
Really, everyone should. Mmm. You know, I'm just going to do one last one and then I'll be finished.
And don't kill yourself.
No, and just, no. I have a kiss. Don't do what?
And don't kill yourself.
I'll try not to burn your house down. Gary, I can feel the look. I feel like I'm getting the look.
Oh, please, no.
Oh.
Oh, darn.
You might need new
Oh,
marshmallow.
dear. I think I'm going to have to just roast that a little bit, make it stickier.
Well, there's an art to this. I mean, not everybody can roast
It's
the Tic
an art
Tac.
and a science. It's where art and science meet, the culinary. Annie, got a Tic Tac, honey, come on. Come on, Annie, Tic Tac. Tic Tac, good girl. Oh, I hear that lapping of the Tic Tacs.
Are you giving me the look?
No.
Gary gives me the look from thousands of miles
Away.
Get the look.
Alright, don't do one.
Why does everybody worry
Don't
about
do
what
what?
I'm thinking?
I don't know.
We love you.
I
We
don't.
want your approval.
I think we're all a little worried about what the
look, it's getting
husbands of the
charred.
group.
It's
Oh,
charred.
husbands
We
in
are.
general, whatever husband is there.
Yeah, we
Although-
are sort of.
Because we don't know the husbands as
We don't
well.
know that.
That's true.
I kind of know.
So,
You already know her
Like
a
I
long
know
time
Gary.
ago.
I feel like I know Gary. It's the second time
and this is evidence of Grim being a bad influence on the children. See, there are children in
I
attendance.
live to be a bad influence on other people's children. And even
And you do it so
on my
well.
own children.
Oh my gosh! Show
Just
her.
believe
Let me
I'm
see.
the only one roasting Tic Tac. Oh wait. Oh.
What is the YouTube title gonna be?
Oh,
Roasting Tic
Tic
Tac.
Tac. I don't know.
Are you really gonna put it on
Oh,
YouTube?
man.
I want to see it.
Or at least a small. Oh.
Ask your mom hopefully by tomorrow
Tic
morning.
Tacs roasting on an open fire.
Oh. Grim Hoffnick. Watch this. Oh. Kiss a Tic Tac. Oh my God. My life is complete.
Do you need a bubble bath, guys?
No, not after this.
I don't know. I take all the pictures, you know.
Thanks,
Maybe it's your heart.
Okay. I have these marshmallows in here, and then I'm
All done, and I'll blow the
I'm
candle off.
blow the
Okay.
candles out.
Let
Just my double chin show.
me see. Let me see. Show more. No, more. Show her.
I'm really enjoying this one, and then. Oh!
Oh, I look just like my mother.
That's good.
Oh, there you go. You're eyeing
My
it.
mother's not a
You're eyeing it.
That's pure
Some
love
more.
right there.
Mom, let me see.
It's love.
He
Oh.
looks like
I'm
there.
gonna- no,
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 more.
I'm so finished. I promise